Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been sphere.
So I was out there by the drill site. I was standing on the road, like right above the hole, looking up at the guys, and the ground shook. It didn't last as long as an earthquake, but it just boom, like that. And right as I held the walkie up to call them, I saw something and just boom, real quick across the sky.
No way.
And it was spherical, translucent white color. Oh, right there. There it is. Look at that.
Okay, I'm going to center on it. What in the heck?
Look at that. I don't know if it came out of the mesa or from behind the mesa.
I know that others have reported that craft have been seen going into the mesa. Perhaps we're looking at something coming out of the mesa.
It said it was a translucent white sphere. I mean, look, how much more translucent white sphere can you get?
This is such a fleeting event, but this does look very solid. That's a great catch.
I'm excited about it. Keep your eye on the sky, maybe you'll see something else.
Thank you for watching the Parasphere. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical accounts, sightings and disclosure of these sphere UFOs from the past and present. And remember, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.